Alright, this is part 2 of the series that I'm doing, or build, on this truck. If you haven't checked out the first part, make sure to go check it out. Link in the description down below. And yeah. And there's not much else to say about it because I'm literally just ripping it apart. And I'm not going to really be doing much to the... There's not going to be much to the videos until I start fixing the stuff that's wrong with it. And then start putting it back together. Or building it, putting it back together, whatever. So it's just going to be tearing it apart for the next probably 4 to 5 videos, or for 4 to 5 videos until I start doing shit. But yeah. Previous owner took the fuse box from the inside of the cab, which was down underneath the dash or whatever, and he bolted it up here. So if it looks funny and weird, that's why. And these inner fenders, what he looks like he did was cut, I guess it was rusting too much, and then he cut it out, and then welded a new panel in. You can see it's really bad there. I thought they were going to be fine, but I mean, I can fix this. It's just going to be a lot of a pain in the ass, and it's probably cheaper to just buy new ones because they are quite rough. The other one's just like this, and in fact the other one's worse. The other one here, this is all breaking off on the other one. I mean, this side here is not too bad. It's a little thin, but I think it's definitely going to need to be replaced. Alright, we'll start taking off stuff, all the radiator support stuff, everything, horn, the fan shroud. You have to empty the radiator out, get the radiator off, get all these hoses off here. Previous owner did something. Not sure what that's for. It's junk. Radiator support, I guess, isn't. Okay, so I got a bucket here. Obviously, radiator fluid is not good for your dogs. Dogs. You don't want to get it all over the place. I don't know how this will work, but I guess give it a shot and find out. Hope it doesn't spill all over the place. fitting or your thing where your hose slips on. But I don't really care because I'm not reusing this radiator, so it doesn't really matter to me. Out comes the grinder. Mess around with this crap. Should have just done another. Yeah. Perfect. Doesn't come off the easy way. Just start cutting at it. Beat the shit out of it till it does come off.